Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on LinkedIn. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website. Now from the homepage, you can sign in if you already have an account, or you can click on the Join Now button at the top right corner. Now you will be asked to either enter your email address or continue with your Google account. You can click on Continue with Google for a shortcut, or you can enter your preferred email address. After entering your preferred email address, enter your desired password for your account within the password box and then click on Agree and Join. You will then be asked to enter your first and last name. Type in both of these and click on Continue, and now you will be asked to choose your location. After entering your location options, click on Next, and you will be asked to enter your most recent job title in order to complete your profile. You can enter your recent job title or click on I'm a student. After entering your required credentials, click on Continue, and you will be asked to confirm your email address by entering the code that has been sent within. So log into your email account and you will find an email from LinkedIn. Just copy this code and paste it in the confirmation box, or you can also click on Confirm your email. Once you verify your email address, you will be asked further questions to complete your profile. Choose your options and click through the next button. Now, once you complete your registration, you will be asked to download the application. Click on Next and you can continue using LinkedIn within your web browser. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.